Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you how to repair a broken styrofoam wreath form. It's quick, easy, and cheap. I took 2 toothpicks, one for each side, and I drawed a line in the middle. Then I poked a hole in the middle of the styrofoam up to the line of the toothpick. Then I glued the toothpick in with low temp glue. Hot temp will melt it. Then I take the other side and I use the glue like this. I put glue in the hole and around. I do it for both sides. Oops, sorry for the bouncing around. I'm new at this. Maybe one day I'll get better. I hope. Then I take the glue, I push it in like this on both sides. Then I hold pressure against it until it dries. I will show you in the next video what I do with it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe. This old lady needs it. Until next time, bye for now.